ASL fingerspelling secrets I wish I'd been taught. Repeating words. When I first started fingerspelling, I had to ask repeats a million times to have any idea what was being fingerspelled. This is a good practice, and you shouldn't pretend to understand when you don't. At the same time, you also need to give your brain a second to process before admitting defeat. At one point early in my signing career, someone had fingerspelled something and I put up my hand to interrupt and ask them to repeat just as my brain put the pieces together and I realized I'd figured out the word. I didn't feel like I was cheating because I hadn't caught every letter or pretending that I understood even though I had thought that I missed it. I felt like I'd arrived. It was the absolute best feeling. And from then on, when I missed a word, I forced myself to maintain the same facial expression and not immediately give away that I didn't understand and just give my brain long enough to finish processing and use everything that I had just seen until I had that light bulb moment. Then I'd finished making sense of it and no one would ever know I'd been freaking out about it for a few seconds and the conversation would continue on. I'm divulging all of the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.